everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. We're glad to have you back here. How are you doing? We guess you're doing great. All right, so without wasting our time, today we want to share with you how we made this really beautiful skirt, very textured, right? If you take a look, you'd find that the band is made differently, the body also made differently, and then the base definitely made differently. We infused all these different stitches to create this beautiful look. All right, so we're going to start from the band. The band, we used the ribbing technique, yeah, the crochet ribbing technique. Of course, we have different clips on our YouTube channel showing you the way we worked this, so you can look out for those, or I'll put the links in the description box, as well as the links for all these other ones too, because we've actually showed you how we made this one. Now the band here, if you notice, the band has an elastic in it. All right, so we decided that instead of the usual maybe lace a rope to tie up this point, we decided that wanted to put an elastic band so that it would be easier for the wearer is not having to tie, untie, or anything of the sort. Okay, so here the body, we have the Trinity Stitch, which we use the Trinity Stitch. If you notice, there are, call it borders. If you notice, this is a border, another border, another border. What we did here was that for after every two rows of the Trinity Stitch, we infused rows of single crochet stitches. We actually used the rows of single crochet stitches to create the reduction where we needed, and then the increases where we needed. You notice that this is the waist area. The waist area definitely is slimmer than the hip area. This skirt measures about 24 inches long. It's for a size small, and then it has, I think it's also it's a 36-inch wide hip. All right, so we alternated between the two rows of Trinity stitch and then two rows of the single crochet stitch. That's for the body. So essentially for this particular skirt, what you need to do is measure from the waist area. Some people start to the measurement from the navel up to the widest part, sorry, the just above the pant line, right before the increase that will take care of the hip, and then you walk down for a point until let's say the measurement that's around the crotch area, and then you reduce a bit to give it that pencil like feel. So this skirt is essentially, a short pencil like skirt that has these frills at the bottom. Okay, we gathered this really richly to give it that very rich vibe. See, look at that, right? Do you have questions? Would like for you to ask. In the meantime, for this particular video, would like for you to like it, to comment on it if you have any part of the video which you did not understand. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, go do so, and then put in your questions. The links to how this rib is made and how the Trinity stitch is worked are all in the description box below. So check it out. Let me know your thoughts about this beautiful Trinity skirts. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.